Hello student, our topic is entrepreneurship, development and characteristics of entrepreneurship. In the previous video we saw who is entrepreneur, one who start the business and is willing to risk loss. He is willing to bear loss in order to make profit. Next is entrepreneurship development. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is an activity. It is an activity started by the businessman, by the entrepreneur who start the business. And entrepreneur, what he does is he start the business, he maintain his business, that means he manage all the activities in the business, and he aggrandize profit, that means he try to maximize his profit, what by the production of the goods and by distribution of these goods and services. Now entrepreneurship is a process of setting up of new business. It is a process where the businessman decide that he is going to find the various market option. It is a process where one decide that he is going to build his career by finding market opportunities. There are so many opportunities to do business, but the person should be smart enough to find the opportunity. Like for example, during coronavirus pandemic, suddenly there was more demand for sanitizer and masks. So companies whose products were not selling in the market because of the pandemic, they started making masks and sanitizer. So businessman, they find the opportunities in the market and mobilize the available resources. That means he uses all the available resources to maximum. Now what are the characteristics of entrepreneurship? First is innovation. That means doing something new, doing something creative. Like for example, there were shampoos available in the market in the bottle, but one company decides to launch shampoo in a sachet, small packets, and they launched this, they distribute this sachet, and it was an instant hit. Before this, no shampoo company was selling shampoo in small sachet, but this idea was very successful, and after this all the other shampoo company, they also followed and they also launched this shampoo in a small sachet. So this was very innovative idea and which was successful. So here entrepreneurship is an innovation, it is a creative activity. The new product, there may be new technology. Entrepreneur may discover new source of supply of raw material. Well, one other example is that during pandemic there are many apps to teach coding, because since children are at home, they are studying and there is more demand for something, some learning skills, etc. So many apps have been launched teaching kids coding. So this was something new the companies did. Or so here entrepreneurship focus on the research and development to produce goods to satisfy the consumers. Second is economic activity. Entrepreneurship is an economic activity, and entrepreneur, they try to produce goods as per the demand, as per the need of the consumer, and because it satisfy consumers need, customers are ready to pay for the product, and this is the earning for the entrepreneur. Also because of this, many people get employment. So here entrepreneur also earn profit, and because of entrepreneurship employment is also generated. So here people also get employment. Next, third is organization building. Entrepreneurship is an activity where all the resources are organized. So you already know that entrepreneur is a fourth factor of production, but it is the responsibility of the entrepreneur to assemble all the other factors of production, land, labor, capital. And here all the resources are organized. They are collected under one roof for the new production. Fourth is creative activity. Entrepreneurship is creative activity, doing something, some creative things in already existing product. For example, Ola cabs. Already there were cabs and taxis were already there, but this new concept of Ola came and it was a very hit, very popular, because it was convenient for customer. They can hire cab sitting at home. Also cab pick up from our home. We don't have to go to main road and hire cab. So altogether, even the charges were nominal. So altogether it was very convenient and it was a hit. Fifth is managerial skill and leadership. A person who wants to be a successful entrepreneur should have more passion of doing something new than just earning profit. Businessman should love what he is doing. If you are not happy what you are doing, you will not be successful. Leadership and managerial skills are the most important facets of entrepreneurship. That means leadership and managerial skills are very important. Other skills can be considered secondary. Entrepreneur can acquire all the other skills by experience, but leadership quality to lead your employees, quality to manage them, this is important quality of entrepreneur. How to make people do what you want, and how to be self starter, how to start the business is important quality of management. Entrepreneur must have the ability to lead and manage. Sixth, skillful management. The success of an entrepreneurship depend on the management of the organization. With professional management and skilled manager, entrepreneurship becomes successful activity. That's why big companies, they invest more, they pay more salaries to professional managers, because the foundation, the base of the business depends on how entrepreneur manage his business. Seventh, risk bearing. Uncertainty is defined as a risk which cannot be insured against and is incalculable. That means nobody can calculate risk. Like for example, coronavirus, this nobody actually was knowing that this is going to happen. This affected all over the world. GDP is down now, business is down. This is the feature of entrepreneurship. If businessman, if the entrepreneur want to be successful, he need to bear such risk. There is always risk involved in business. Entrepreneur is an agent who buys factors of production at certain price. He is acquiring land, he is also hiring laborers, and he is investing his money in the business, and he combine all this, start his production and sell this product in the market at uncertain price in the future. So all these things involve risk. This risk is borne by entrepreneur. Eighth, gap filling function. Most significant feature of entrepreneurship is gap filling function. It is entrepreneur's job to fill the gap or to make up the deficiency which always exists in the knowledge about the production function. There are a lot of problems which company faces from time to time, from handling employees to the production to the distribution to the marketing. So everywhere there is some kind of problem, and it is the duty of an entrepreneur to solve the problem and to go on with the work. So this is another feature of entrepreneurship, to fill the gap and to overcome the problems.